Today we're answering one of the most misunderstood questions online. How much do foot models make? There's a lot of hype and unrealistic claims out there, so in this video we're breaking down actual reported numbers from public sources. No promises, no hype, and definitely no get-rich-quick talk. This breakdown uses data from publicly available FeetFinder reviews, creator interviews, and earning reports. But before we go further, here's the important part. These numbers aren't guaranteed. They're self-reported and they may be inaccurate or outdated, and every creator's experience is different, obviously. This video is for education only, not financial advice, and not a guarantee of income. So how much do foot models make? Different sources give different ranges, but here's the realistic, non-exaggerated average of what's commonly reported. Beginners typically earn around $150 to $500 per month once they start posting consistently. Source: Startup Booted FeetFinder Review. Consistent creators who build a small buyer base often report earning $500 to $1,500 per month. Source: Self-Feet Pics Guide Earnings Report. High performers, meaning creators who treat this like a real business, sometimes report $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month. Source: Feet Creator Income Guide. Again, these aren't official FeetFinder numbers. They're simply what creators have shared publicly, and these reports can absolutely be wrong, incomplete, or exaggerated. Why earnings vary so much? So if you're wondering how much do foot models make, the real answer is it depends heavily on effort, quality, niche, and consistency. Creators who see the best results usually post high-quality photos, develop a niche or recognizable style, offer bundles or themed sets, respond professionally to buyers, promote outside the platform, and build repeat customers over time. This isn't passive income, it's a digital side hustle that grows with practice and consistency. Common pricing averages, not official rates. Another part of understanding how much foot models make is knowing how content is typically priced. These are common, not official, and vary by creator. Basic photos are $5 to $15. Themed bundles are $10 to $25. Custom photos are $20 to $50 plus dollars. Short custom videos are $40 to $100 or more. And your pricing really depends on your comfort level, style, experience, and demand. What this is not. This isn't guaranteed income. This isn't a shortcut to quick money. And it's not something that brings big income without real effort. Creators who earn more usually do so because they consistently show up and treat this like a real business. All income numbers mentioned in this video come from publicly available articles, blog posts, and self-reported creator data. These sources can be false, outdated, inaccurate, or exaggerated. Actual earnings vary widely and depend entirely on individual effort, content quality, niche, platform activity, and consistency. Hopefully this gave you a clearer, more realistic look at how much foot models make and what really goes into earning money in the space. If you found this helpful and want more transparent, non-hyped breakdowns of creator income, feel free to subscribe and check out the next video.